Good day. Another question 2-13. So we'll be practicing on this as well. So the first thing they have asked from us is to compute a predetermined overhead rate for each department. There are two departments. There is a cutting department and there is a finishing department. Second is they have mentioned which department uses which resources the most. The cutting department uses machine hours, whereas finishing department uses direct labor hours. So cutting department is a machine intensive department and finishing department is a labor intensive department. So they want us to find out predetermined overhead rate. So we know the formula. So the first step is going to be what is the overhead cost. So first step is we are going to formulate the overhead cost formula. Okay, how are we going to do that? So there is going to be a fixed cost plus there is going to be a variable cost. Both of these costs are overhead costs. So the fixed cost for cutting department, let's start with cutting department first. So the fixed cost for cutting department is going to be 264,000 in fixed. So 264,000 is your fixed cost plus variable cost is $2 per machine hour multiplied by number of hours. $2 per machine hour multiplied by number of hours. So this is going to be our complete cost. 48 into 2 is 96 plus 264. We are going to get something as exactly as $360,000. So if asked, cutting department's overhead cost is $360,000. So after that we now can compute overhead rate for this department. So how are we going to do this? We know cutting department is a machine intensive department. So the resource on which overhead rate is going to be absorbed into units is machine hours. Okay. So total overhead cost is going to be $360,000 divided by total machine hours is 48,000 machine hours. So the overhead rate is going to equal to $7.5 per machine hours. So this is part 1. So now moving on to part 2, cutting, then there is the finishing department. Similarly, same steps. So there is going to be a fixed cost and there is going to be a variable cost. So fixed cost is $366,000 plus variable cost is $4 per direct labor hour into number of labor hours, that is 30,000. The answer is going to be 366 plus 120. This is $486,000. Again, this is part 1, this is part 2. This is part 1, this is part 2. So $486,000 divided by number of hours, this is 30,000. We are going to get is overhead rate. So overhead rate for us in this case is $16.20 per labor hour. This was per machine hour. Okay, so they have for this with these calculation they want us to find out cost of job 203. It's very easy. Now we have all the rates. All is what is needed is the computation part. So let's start with it. So in job 203 we are going to start with material cost first. So there is a material plus there is going to be a labor cost plus there is going to be overhead cost. For material cost it's given 500 plus $500 is for cutting department, whereas $310 was spent by finishing department. So $500 plus $310. So this whole is $810. Whereas for labor, 108 was spent by cutting and 360 was spent by finishing. So total is $468. Now there are overhead costs. So overhead costs are going to come from both departments, the cutting as well as the finishing. But nothing to worry about, we have rates for both of the departments, so the only thing that is needed is multiplication. So for cutting department, the rate is $7.5 per machine hour. So $7.50 per machine hour multiplied by how many machines hour were used by a cutting department? 80 multiplied over, plus finishing rate is $16.20 per labor hour. How many labor hours were used by this job? 20. So if we multiply both of these, this is $600 plus, and this is $324. So we add all of these up, this and this. So the total cost for job number 203 is going to be $2202. Okay. So third part is the theoretical part. We'll discuss this in class. Thank you very much.